Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to request a loan at Bank of America. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Bank of America and then you're gonna have to choose if you want to request a loan for your needs. So if you want a personal loan or small business, as you can see here, for your business. So after you choose for which case you want the loan, simply select the one you want. So as you can see, if you go to personal, you have home loans, auto loans. Now, if you go to small business, as you can see, you can get some loans for your business, but I'm gonna go with personal for this tutorial. So let's say you want to get a home loan. So you're gonna have to choose, as you can see, you can go get a mortgage, refinance, home equity. So you're gonna have to choose any of these and click on them and then simply click on apply now. Now the next step is to simply log into your account and then you're gonna have to answer a few questions. As you can see, you have these two options. I want to buy a home, I want to refinance the home I already own, and then you're gonna have to proceed with these questions. So let me click on them. As you can see, they're gonna ask you if you are a Bank of America online banking customer. So you're gonna have to choose yes or no, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.